So before, like any starter you get brand new, you want to test it before you put it in the vehicle. So I got jumper cable there, positive, you know, of course on the battery, negative on there, positive put on here, and we'll try it here. Looks like it works. Now the other thing is you'd have to jump the solenoid to make sure it works here too. You know, it'd have to be here and here, but this wire here, but I don't have a wire, but I just wanted to make sure it worked. It works, so that's good. Starter turns over faster than that one on the brown Ford. This is only one battery though. So, alright, we're gonna see if we can tow this truck up here, and the battery cables are coming tomorrow for the starter and everything. Okay, this is underneath the Ford pickup. I'm going to show you guys the problem why the starter went. And I don't think I'm going to be able to fix this myself. See how black it is? Well, see the donut for the exhaust right there? Yeah, it's separated from the manifold. Soot all over the solenoid. It's melted there. The ends look terrible. They're all black and melted. See? Starter. I'm gonna take it out tonight. We told the Ford. This is I think this is the original starter when we got it, 2001. I don't know if it's Motorcraft, but we'll pull it out and we'll see. Got new battery ends coming tomorrow, so. But just leaking some training fluid. If I can show you guys, the idiots put the wrong bolts on there. So that's probably going to be low on training fluid. And then up here, we got a major oil leak on the manifold up there. Now, what is that? Valve covers, probably? But yeah, it smelled hot before. And look at this. This Mickey Mouse guy put this on there. That's a return fuel line. No wonder why it won't run. Air intrusion and leaking back down to the tank. We'll have to replace all that hose from the back. Goes back to a metal pipe. So it's going to be a project before we can get started. So tonight I'm just going to take the old starter off, and then I'm going to take the ends off, you know, and put the new starter in and wait for the new ends to come. But other than that, the brakes lines, they're okay. Everything's okay there. You look here, a little bit of play. Not bad. 4x4 works, everything works. Why trash it? 7.3 IDI 1993 at 242,000 miles. Last time I replaced the starter was probably 10 years ago. We've been starting with one battery for a good 5 to 10 years. And the wires have been smoking pretty bad. You can tell they're all melted, but that's from that exhaust. See the donuts out? That's a Ford. Alright guys, so I'm going to get working on this now, and then we'll go from there. Well, there's the old one and there's the new one. I see it'll work, but this was just a cheapie starter in there. I just tried the new one too to make sure it worked, and did. The old one, it spins good, but got a lot of play, and it's just, I don't know, it was smoking out here. The exhaust has been leaking out of there, but it doesn't, I don't know what brand this is. It doesn't say Motorcraft or anything, so, but yeah, I don't know. It still works. We'll keep it. Looked pretty rusty there. The top bolt was loose because I suppose you can't get to it. It's hard. And this one's got the gear reduction in there, so it'll have more torque to start. So I'm gonna put that starter in so no crap gets in there. Looked at the flex plate in there. Everything looked like brand new, and the torque converter looked like brand new. So anyway, I gotta wait for the battery ends too, but I want to put that in there so crud don't get in there. But look at the difference. That'll have more torque. I know it. I hope so. Alright, well, I can't, too tedious to film and install at the same time because it's too heavy. This one's lighter than that one. That one's heavy. Front differential might be leaking on this, and the battery in. I'm going to remove that. And then I'm going to go and trace the negative wires and clean that. There's a new mechanical fill pump. Water pump's out on it, but that's okay. We can get that fixed. No big deal. But anyway, let's get back here if I can. See, these stuff look fairly good until they get some play in the gears. 4x4 still works. Okay, it's hard to get in here. The camera, that's why I brought my camcorder. Okay, got the new starter in. Should have fixed that exhaust leak, but oh well. Anyway, new starter's in, fits perfect. Easier to get in than the old one was to get out. So, hopefully that new starter will work. But anyway, I'm gonna wait for the battery ends before I mess with it and get some new battery ends put in there. Hook up to the solenoid and fix the negative. Look at the battery ends. Oop, look at the battery ends. They look crappy. See that? Yeah, they're not too good. Not much power going to the starter. So once we get all that hooked up and fix the fuel system, it should fire and it should run. So other than that, this truck transfer case looks good. Everything's good. I'm gonna cut the muffler off, by the way, guys. So do that right now. My dad won't know the difference, but it probably won't. Most likely won't go on the highway anymore anyway, because I don't trust these brakes. Look at the brakes. They look kind of bad. Yeah. And whatever that is leaking in. Oh, that's the power steering. That's right. When we told it here, did that. Oil filter says change 2011, 10/12 of 2011, 242,260. It's got 242,265 on there. So yeah, I didn't get too far, did it? But right, you see right there where it's half white fuel line and half rubber. Yeah. Tires are original since we bought the truck in 2001. They're all in 2001. Frame is good. Little bit of rust there. Ground looks a little bit rusty there. Brake lines, yeah, they're okay. Here's the engine up there. Calipers don't look the best. That's a Ford though. But oil pan looks good. Muffler's right there. Tranny cooler lines. Got a little bit of play in there. But yeah, not that bad of a truck. Excuse me. Alright, so anyway, let's work on the bug now and get some stuff done. It's getting dark out and I won't be able to finish tonight. That's for sure.